So if you are a handy person and you are trying to add a light switch to a room, but you don't want to actually run electrical cable to an actual outlet in order to turn on and off the lights, there are still options. I am building a cigar lounge in my basement and I didn't want to have to hire an electrician to come in to add a light switch for me. So this is a very elegant solution from Amazon. It is just a remote control plug. So you plug this into any existing plug, you plug your appliance in here, let's say a light, and you can hang this on the wall anywhere you want, and it goes up to 100 feet. So it can be in a different room if you need it to be. But when you turn it on, it's going to turn this outlet on, and whatever's plugged into it is automatically going to turn on. So this allows you to run a light switch to control a light all the way across the room without having to run actual electrical conduit, without having to hire an electrician, which for me is perfect. I'm fine with doing all the construction parts, but I don't really want to mess with electric, and this allows me to have a light switch without messing with electric. So I use these and I would definitely recommend it.